Some New Haven neighbors aren't giving up their fight against an 11% tax hike. They're telling city leaders what they think about this. News 8's Amy Hudak is live in News 8 Control with what they are saying. Amy.
These neighbors are frustrated and they're concerned, but they're also taking action. They're sitting down and they're meeting with their alders to come up with some sort of a plan to see if there's anything they can do short of moving.
But to hit everybody all at once is absolutely ludicrous.
New Haven neighbors are furious.
People are saying that they feel like they have to sell their house.
Property taxes are skyrocketing a whopping 11%. Homeowners not pleased with Mayor Tony Harp in City Hall.
Is she out of her mind? How many people does she really think could afford these type of raises?
My property taxes in less than 2 years have gone up close to 30%, which as a young person, I think as any person is crazy. Older folks who have been here for a long time, they're on a fixed income. They have either, some kind of retirement money coming in, but they're saying, I can't, bear this all myself.
Neighbors are now meeting in person with their alders to see if there's anything they can do to get some relief.
It may start also in voting, getting maybe new people in, different ideas, switching up the regime.
Mayor Harp defending the tax hike, saying it was necessary to maintain services in the city.
The taxes went up because we actually lowered taxes last year, and it appears as if it's an 11% increase.
But the tax hike is the latest blow to neighbors. Pay raises were recently doled out to the mayor's aides.
On a personal level, I'm not particularly concerned about the tax increase. It's a lot of money, but I know it's the difference between some people having their homes or not.
And around neighborhoods, some for sale signs are starting to pop up.
On top of all of it, those raises are just beyond outrageous, especially the timing of it.
The mayor is the one who proposed the tax hike, but the Board of Alders, they're the ones who actually passed it, and they were at this meeting tonight, and they were trying to encourage neighbors to try to stay as calm as they could and to understand that they too are taxpayers and will feel the same effects, but there was no other option. Live in News 8 Control, Amy Hudak, News 8.